Question 6 from the most recent work here asks you to put the composite function together, remembering that you're doing g of x first. So g of x is this, and we need to do f to that. Now effing does e to the 2 of that plus 4. And that would get you a mark, but I've missed something. No, that's okay. But we now need to tidy that up. And so we need to remember some powers rules here. You can't just cancel e and ln here because they're not next to each other. You need to remember that 2 ln of something, that power goes up to the top there. So we can have this. Now they can both cancel, but the e and ln can cancel here. So now we're left with x plus 1 all squared plus 4. And that's going to get us the 3 marks that we want. That's fg of x. Of course, you can spot what the range of this is, because this thing here is always greater than or equal to 0. So when we add 4 to this, fg of x is always going to be greater than or equal to 4. Is it going to be equal to? That's the question, I suppose. We always have to pause and think, can we have an or equal to? And normally I'd be perfectly fine with that, but I just spotted this. Look, we can't put a minus 1 in. We can only put anything bigger than minus 1, so I'm actually going to lose my or equal to there. So it's just going to be greater than 4, because that's going to have to be greater than 0 there. Then we've got an equation to solve. Fg of x equals 85. We'll have already done all the work for that. So I've got x plus 1 all squared plus 4 is equal to 85. Let's take away the 4. Let's square root and take away 1. Is that enough? Well, you could have done it the other way as well. We could have actually had x plus 1 equals minus 9 and take away 1. But of course, it's not in the domain. And so that isn't another answer. And x equals 8 is the only answer there.